Hi, this is Mallikarjun Rao Satyaraju. So today I am going to show you how beautifully uh, format your worksheet neatly in this fashion. See here, you can see there are so many features are used in this. I am going to show you how to format your worksheet. This is a small income and expenditure report showing here 4 quarters of income and 4 quarters of expenditure. Okay, so let me show you how to format it. So when it is unformatted, okay, this is, I'll say, I'll go to here, clear formats. Now before formatting it was like this, so everything looks like this in this fashion. But now how best we can format this, let me show you. Now whenever you need to center the titles, this Raghavendra Systems Limited is there, so this you have to select it up to the G column, because our statement, once it is printed, it will be from A to G column. So I want to center this particular title between A and G. So select one row at a time and click on this merge center button. Again select a second row, again merge center button, and again third row also, like this, and say merge center. When you are doing merge center, you should do only one row at a time, you should not mix all the three together. So once you merge all the three, then you can select all the three together. Now you can go for your choice of font. So I am selecting here Comic Sans MS Bold. Okay, and then I can apply some desired background color and also a foreground color. Then I can increase the font size little, because the main title it should look better, so I have increased the size using these buttons. Then here, when it comes to here, it is already written as income of the company, but the total column title is not visible. So in fact, if you expand the width of this column, now it might be visible, but you are wasting a lot of empty space here. So in order to not to waste the space and to see that the title is totally visible for you, you have to go for using wrap text. So I'll show you how to do this. Select this enter column and go to here alignment section. Then here there is a small text control called wrap text, and when you click on this button and say OK, so automatically your text will be get wrapped into that particular cell. So it something looks like this. Now here in the cell, the whatever text is there, that is horizontally placed to the left, and vertically it is placed on the bottom, that is it is in bottom left corner. But if you want to place it to the bottom top top right corner, then you select all these titles, you can go to alignment again and say again here horizontally right and vertically top. So this helps us to keep that value on the top right corner. In fact, if you want to make it absolutely center also, you can select this entire row and go to here and say horizontally center and vertically also center. Then you click on OK button, so it looks now centrally placed titles, and your text is also wrapped. That means you comfortably can see the entire title. Now I wish to change this font again. I want to choose this Times New Roman for this, and I want to reduce the size also a little bit, because it should be lesser than the main titles. Want to apply a background color, that is yellow, and also tomato red as a, I wanted to have the font color. Then I want to make it bold. Okay, sometimes it so happens that you need to bring some attention towards the value, so then you select all the values or the text which you wanted to give some sort of attention towards them. Then you can just go to again alignment, and you can use this orientation, and you can turn the value by 45 degrees. Okay, then say OK. Now the value is turns 45 degrees. In fact, you can as well go for a complete vertical titles also. Select the entire thing, click on this and make this as orientation as 90 degrees, and then increase the height of the column you will see that all the titles are made vertical. And in fact, if you want this income, the word income, to be placed on the top, for example, then go to here, alignment, and say minus 90 degrees orientation. So now it looks more readable, like income of the company. And still, if you are finding it difficult to read the text, then we have one text control here in the alignment. Here you can choose vertical text. So this vertical text helps us to make it more readable titles, column titles. Anytime you wish to come back to the normalcy, just go to orientation part and select 0 orientation and say OK, and again it becomes normal. This is how you can nicely what do you call it as format the column titles. Okay, thank you so much. In the next class I am going to show you some more formatting options. Thank you so much.